When I make my art, sometimes I feel like I go very deep inside. I feel like I cannot escape from deep, very black hole. My name is Chiharu Shiota. I'm an artist and I'm in my studio in Berlin. Using string is my material, my own material. It's not like painting the brush and the canvas. It's my own material and I can connect everything. And the string is sometimes like so tangle or tension or losing. It's like human relationship. I want to connect people to universe. I have also universe inside my body and they are outside of universe. It's all connected. My string is visible, but I can see that we are connected with invisible line. Everyone's connected. The contemporary art is difficult, but when people see my installation, actually the contemporary art is very interesting and it's different than ordinary life. So I stopped my painting when I was 20 years old and I never draw anymore. But when I had cancer, first time I start painting again. I was diagnosed with cancer for a second time. And I was thinking, how can I survive to make this show? Just one day before, Mommy, Kataoka curator told me I have big show, the biggest show at Mori Art Museum in Tokyo. And next day, doctor told me I have cancer. And then I have to prepare for this show with surgery and chemotherapy and everything. It's not only the exhibition. I was thinking, how can I survive? How can I live? I was thinking a lot about life and death. And also my daughter was 9 years old. I started thinking about how can I be with her? How can I stay with her? And what does she think about soul? And actually, the end, it was good. 660,000 people came to Mori Art Museum. I was very happy. A lot of students. Yeah. Art has no answer. If 100 people saw my work, 100 different opinions. Everyone's different. Everyone's connected.